You're coming right back? What's your name?
Taylor.
I'm Frank. So
Frank.
Both sisters have hot rods.
Both
Look at this.
sisters.
Like pretty nice. Like, who's faster? Morning, everybody. We are in Kansas City, right outside at the Petro and Oak Grove. We pick up tomorrow in Tulsa. ...2017 Truckers Jamboree here at the 70 Petro Oak Grove. Hi, how are you? Seat ourselves?
Yes, sir. Anywhere you wouldn't mind.
Perfect, thanks. How's it going, man? You're on the vlog now. All right, so we got Tiffany. Hi, Tiffany. And Sarah. Sarah's the newbie.
No,
you're the newbie?
I'm the newbie.
You're the newbie. Okay, so I got it back.
the newbie.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
She's the newbie. You're training her. So you're my server, but you're gonna make her do all the work.
Yes.
But for those of you that don't know, trucking regulations, where I've talked about how we have to take our 30-minute break before. They just made an announcement in here for truckers to move that we're blocking the island. So the process is you fuel and then you pull up, you come and get your receipt or whatever you need. A lot of guys tend to think it's okay to take their 30-minute break after they pull up. So because most of the trucks out here now are on e-logs, they'll pull up, they'll come in, they'll shower, they'll eat, whatever, and try to burn up 30 minutes while sitting there because they're too lazy to go park the truck. And what ends up happening is people are fueling behind them. They're not on their 30-minute break, and then they get stuck and get stuck there burning up their regular clock. It is one of the most obnoxious and selfish things that you can do as a truck driver out here, inconsiderate to your fellow drivers. You're taking your 30-minute break and you're making them burn up their clock. That 30 minutes could cost them getting to their load on time. Okay, rant over. Oh, Friday in Kansas City, and I am at the Speedco. Time to get the oil change, 204,000 miles. This is our fourth in a year, a little over a year. It's that time again. We got a little bit of downtime, and tonight got something fun, something different, something I haven't shared with you yet. That's stuff that I'd like to do on the road. So that's coming up. Hey, how are you?
Good. Are you going to the last meeting?
It's on the door right there. You want to be on the vlog, Reagan?
Vlog?
Yeah, I've got a channel on YouTube.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah. This is Reagan. Reagan's taking care of me. Say hi to YouTube world.
Hi, guys.
So he's going to hook our little beast up, take care of it, make sure it's all nice, oiled, and lubed. Go down the road. There it is. So when you come to Speedco, remember years past you'd hear all these horror stories about, oh, my drain plug wasn't tightened and all my oil drained out and my engine got locked up. Well, heard it, thank you. Well, the way they make sure that is never happens here is they bring you out here and they let you witness them torquing it down to specifications. So that's a cool thing. Always had pretty good service here. Our owner, this is where we get our services done. The people are always nice. And there we go, Speedco. One of the employees' cars. Oh, where is she? Let's see. I got about 2.5 hours, 2 hours to get to where I need to be, and then yeah, that surprise is coming up. I'm excited. Gonna have fun. God, look at the lines on that. It's pretty. Oh. Well, I already showed you the Camaro, and we know that the girl that works here, her name is Arden. I haven't gotten to meet her yet, but this is her Camaro. Now Arden's sister pulls up, driving a Challenger. I mean, this is clickbait heaven. How are you?
Doing all right. Here's your oil level right there.
Cool.
And here's your keys, and we're ready for you to start it up.
Thank you very much. You know.
Want the fuel filters changed today?
Yes.
Okay, we'll get that done.
Absolutely. Glad he asked, because I thought the fuel filters were already done. You're coming right back? What's your name?
Taylor.
I'm Frank. So
Frank.
both sisters have hot rods.
Both
Look at this.
sisters.
Like pretty nice. Like, who's faster?
I don't know yet.
You haven't figured it out yet?
Not yet.
Trucking
Where do
couple.
you run out of?
We're all over. We're expediters, so we just we never know where the next load's going to take us.
Right.
We're picking up in Tulsa tomorrow, going to Malibu, California.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it just came from Miami.
Yeah.
So we're all over.
You've seen a lot of nice cars.
Yeah. I just did a video of the Harley dealership in Las Vegas. That's where we
Really?
live.
Wow.
Nice meeting you. Kansas City's got it going on just a little bit. He told me it was his car.
Yeah.
No, this is Arden. Arden, that's your baby, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I asked your sister who's faster. She's like, we don't know.
No, she won't race me.
She won't race you. So how long have you had her?
2 months.
Like it?
I love it.
Hate the payment?
Oh, yeah.
Hate the insurance cost?
That's not bad, but the payment's terrible. $800 a month.
Well, that's more than my dually. I have a 14 Ram Cummins dually, and that's more than my dually.
How much you pay?
$750 for a $53,000 truck.
Well, I had a 15 before that I traded in.
Oh, so you rolled over all your negative equity. You were upside down.
Yeah.
But she also went out of state too.
So you're going to be on the vlog, right?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure you watch. So you and your car are both going to be on the vlog.
Oh, gosh.
So one of the things I love to do is go to baseball games. So last year we found this Major League Baseball park, Passport. Has all the parks in it. And when you go to the game, you get a stamp.